Hi, I'm Dave Gordon, founder of Stock Traders of America and StockTradingSupport.com. I want to focus in on one of my favorite bullish signs, which is the symmetrical bullish wedge. I'm going to look at a biotech company called BPMX, call letters BPMX on the New York Stock Exchange. And as you can see, this is forming a wedge. A symmetrical wedge is where the highs are getting lower and the lows are getting higher, forming a tight wedge. Now let's look a little closer here and see what's happened in the last 3 days. By the way, it's February the 9th, 2017. That's today's date. See, as you can see, at this point, it was undecisive. The opening and the closing were virtually the same day. The same level. There was a big trading range, probably 3 or 4 cents, but at the end of the day, it stopped at the same point, it closed at the same point where it opened. So a little indecisiveness. Then you had profit takers selling pressure, driving the stock down. It'll come down probably to the support level here and continue to bounce back and forth until this arrow comes to a point. Now, it's important to look at 2 things in context, keeping this all in context, because this is a penny stock. Now let's have a look at volume. It's really important that when you're looking at any stock pattern, never do it without being considering volume and in the context of what the overall market is doing. So we'll look at that a little bit later, but right now I want to look at volume. As you can see, the last 4 days, this was a stall day. The last 3 days there have been profit takers in there and driving the stock down. And today it's down, well, it's only down 1 cent, but if you have 400,000 shares, that's a fair amount of cash. And which is, by the way that penny stocks are traded. High volume, take 2 or 3 cents and get out. All right, so this is moving down towards the support level, and it's going to continue to bounce back and forth until it gets to the very point. At that point, pardon the pun, in all probability, it's going to leap out and go into a steep uptrend. When it gets close to that point, that's the time to buy. Now, if this volume begins to turn green and you see bulls starting to creep in, they like to sneak in, then you want to get in before it bounces up. It's called a pre-buy. I'm Dave Gordon at StockTradingSupport.com. See you later.